Now, one of the things that we are seeing coming from China is that there is a meeting that was currently taking place where they were talking of how of the big stimulus that we've been talking about on this channel, which resulted in the Chinese equities last month or 2 months back surging quite sharply, because not only will China be recovering their economy in terms of maybe making it easier for consumers to afford to buy things by cutting interest rates and all that, but they will also be going into the markets. Banks will be going to the market to buy Chinese equities. Stockbrokers will be going to the market to buy Chinese equities, stocks like NIO, which is obviously great. Now, it is said that China leadership, based on this meeting that was taking place, China leadership is ready to finally boost the physical spending to improve the economy, which is pretty exciting. So they are going to do this by, of course, going to borrow money and cutting interest rates to stimulate the obviously spending from the consumers. They are going to, consumers will have more money to go buy cars, to buy houses, to buy all these things that as a result will grow the Chinese economy, right? Which is pretty exciting. I mean, they said official at the Central Economic Work Conference also pledged to focus on boosting domestic demand, including consumption in 2025, vowing their better balanced demand and supply in the world's second largest economy. They also said that they are also ready and they are waiting for the trade tensions that will come under the Trump administration or President Trump administration, which we will see how that one unfolds. Now, China, when it comes to our NEO, or when it comes to the new energy vehicle companies, China has been giving support by issuing subsidies to help people buy, of course, their cars, by giving them 20,000 RMB subsidy, which is something that obviously is pretty good, it's pretty exciting. Because of these subsidies of trade-ins, China has exceeded or has found themselves seeing over 5 million cars being sold because of this subsidy that China has been offering for quite some time. This is something that is good, man. So this program aims to expand domestic demand and shore up the economic through equipment upgrades and consumer good trade-ins. So yeah, man, as I've said, you know that those that are buying new energy vehicle cars, they get 20,000 yen or $2,781, whereas those that are purchasing, or those that are going for fuel powered cars, they are getting 15,000 RMB, which is something that obviously shows you that China is playing a huge focus onto new energy vehicle cars. They also talk about retail sales growing to 1.27 million units, up 50.5% on a year-over-year, and obviously the penetration rate, which it's good things. These are good things, and we have spoken about this penetration in previous videos. But yeah, man, things are looking good for China. Things are looking good for NEO, and those, like I said, that are persevering throughout the headwinds of the share price will most definitely be rewarded with time. I know right now it might not look like there is light at the end of the tunnel for NEO, but I'm telling you, good things are coming, great things are coming. NEO CEO 2 days ago reiterated 30,000 deliveries now in December for Envoy and NEO, and reiterated plus 20,000 deliveries for Envoy in March, plus of course 240,000 deliveries for 2025 for Envoy only, and NEO will also get over 200,000 or between 217 to 220,000 deliveries. This is what they are projecting. But the good thing is that next year there will also be Firefly, which also they are also targeting a minimum of 5,000 deliveries on a month-to-month. And we know now that they don't have any plans to launch any other model. They are going to launch one model of the Firefly sub-brand in China, but in Europe there might be more models to be launched there. I think it is because of the hybrid. They might consider going for hybrids there, which is something that when you think about this, man, it just shows you the future that you can find onto Neo. Blue sky is coming, man. Long term will win. I know right now, like I said, share price wise might not be telling us or showing us what we want to see, but let me tell you, blue sky is coming. Long term will win. Those that are persevering throughout the headwinds, the share price will most definitely be rewarded with time. So yeah, man. So I just thought I'd give you this quick update. Stimulus is there, man. It's just that we might not be seeing the fruits of it as yet, but it's there. China is going to increase their debt to make sure that they stimulate the spending around China from consumers, which this as a result will make it easier for the consumers or for the Chinese consumers to come and buy EV cars like Neo, to buy EV cars like Onvo, to buy EV cars like Firefly, which is something that we look forward to, because that will increase or grow the deliveries that we are seeing onto EV stocks or new energy vehicle cars like Neo. So yeah, man, just thought I'd give you this quick update. Don't forget to hit the like button, comment and subscribe. And once you subscribe, don't forget to hit or click that notification bell so that at least you get notified by YouTube every time I drop a new content. Blue sky is coming. Long term will win, man. I know right now, share price wise, it might not be in a place where we all want it to, but long term will win. Blue sky will come. Do your own due diligence. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. And yeah, if you have not subscribed, I'll appreciate if you can just hit that subscribe button, because on this channel I talk only about Neo. I give you the latest developments. What is it that we can expect from Neo? So if you're a Neo follower, you want to know more about Neo, do yourself a favor. If you have not subscribed, I'll also appreciate if you hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell so that at least you get notified by YouTube every time I drop a new content. Blue sky is coming. Long term will win. That's all from me, and God bless you all.